1 year ago, these things cost me $100. There it is. It was exactly to the month 1 year ago. That's right. This was $100. It's heavy. Prices are coming down now that we got a new president. $50 today, delivered from LOKITHOR. That sounds like a Marvel name, doesn't it? Size got smaller. Granted, there's a case here, and this has got packaging in here. Links will be in the description, just like they are in everybody's videos that's showing a product. You don't need to ask in the description in 2025 from now on. So many of you remember, most of you don't, but this is what you used to have. Well, this is only a portion of what you needed to boost a dead battery. Most of us remember this, few of y'all even know. On our 16th birthday, Dad would give us his old booster cables and he'd buy himself some new ones. My dad did that. These are 4 gauge, they're very heavy duty. They're not from Walmart. I bought these myself my senior year of high school in 1977, but I was a assistant manager of an auto parts store, so I got a good deal on them. And I know many of y'all are too young to even know that you would have to hook this up to the battery in your car, and then you needed a battery from a donor car. You needed a friend or family members or a stranger on the side of the road to get a boost from. But those days are over. So is answering your own damn cell phone, huh? What's in the box here, you want to know? I just got this. I have not opened it up, but this is the LOKITHOR J400. It's advertised as the smallest unit jump starter. 2000 amps peak, 12 volt lithium batteries inside of here, and this will start just about anything you can hook it up to. 8-liter gas engines, 6-liter diesels. Can you say Ford super douchey? I know you can. Let's see what is in here. Seal has not been broken. It has been hermetically sealed by the company of Funkin' Wagnalls. Inside the box, you get a greeting card, a manual. This is oh, that's so small and lightweight. Whoa, look at that. Packaging materials. You get your jumper cables. I love the sound of doing that. And your proverbial, included in everything electronic that we buy today, USB-A to USB-C by 2-foot, 3-foot cable. These are almost identical. The strength on these is pretty good. And if you look at the diameter of the spring inside there, it's probably just a 0.5 millimeter narrower than these, which are, we don't want to tell you how old those are. So the cool thing about this is, yep, it only goes in one way. This is idiot proof. I wouldn't have a problem putting this in my wife's car. On the other end, you've got a USB-C and a USB-A. One of them is for power in to charge this, and the other one's for power out. So when you're at camp, when you're at work, when you're broken down the side of the road, and you need to charge your GoPro, or your drone, or your cell phone, or your headlamp. With this, you start your car up, you self-recover. And then, once your car's running, then when you get inside your car to drive away, you plug this in, and you put this back in your car, and you recharge it while you're driving home. That's pretty good. Okay, I haven't read the instructions. If you're wanting to know, this thing is 10 or 15 pages long, and it's only in English. How about that? Look at the display on here. It's pretty big. You won't need cheaters to read. It looks like this comes with a, needs one more. It's like it's got one more bubble up. It can go for charging this unit. So it's not fully charged, it's 75% charged, but it'll work. And then this here, got a little button there. It looks like a light bulb. Push that. Ah, look right there. This really excites me right there. I've seen chargers where the battery's on the other side. So here you are trying to hook this up to your battery and the light's shining the other way. Small details, but that just means that someone approved the decision to put it right there and not down there. It's supposed to be 300 lumens. I'm gonna say it's like 298. Okay, long press turns on, short press, emergency flashing. One more short pass is slow flash. Oh, that's SOS. Dot, 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 dash, 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 dot, dot, dot. One more, and it's off. I like this. Let's go put it to work. All right, so here you are, broke down on the side of the road. There's your light shining the right way. Red to red. Black to black. Now you're going to get a display on here. It's counting down. It says it's charged up, 13.3 volts. And all you got to do is hit that boost button and turn the key. Just like that. Long press on any of the buttons turns it off. I like this. I like that this is smaller and a little bit lighter weight. But you know what? LokiThor, what were you thinking? Where's my case? Doesn't need to be a big case. Even give me like a Crown Royal velvet bag to put it in. That would be fine. I don't like having to do this, but hey. I feel like a bag lady. Even with the bag, I still like this. I still use this. Go get you one. Get you one for your wife, your kids, so they won't bother you needing a boost if their battery breaks. See ya.